Hello friends, most of you are using PowerPoint to make presentation, right? And you are giving animation for your slides. But how many of you know you can make real animation using PowerPoint without the help of any other animation tool? Let's see how we can do that one. Open PowerPoint, select blank presentation, remove everything, go to insert, click the pictures. You can select a picture from your device or from online. So before you do, you just think what kind of animation you are going to do. I will give you an example. We'll go to online. We will type leaf.png and we will click enter. So we will select some images. We select two images and we will click insert. So this will PowerPoint will download those images. Now you can see both images came. Click outside and select one by one and make the size small and make it drag to outside. Select the second one, make it to small and bring it here. So now we will give some animation for our leaves. Before that, we will go to animation tab and we will open the animation pan. And you can see our leaf here. Select one of the leaf, add animation, come down, click motion path and custom path. Click from the first image to end of the frame and double click there, so it will finish. So select the second image, add animation, take custom path, drag to end of the frame. So you can see it comes like this. If you move, because this came the end, so if you want to make it outside, drag and make it outside. Okay, so now we will make this start on click to with previous. Second image start on click to with previous. And now we play all. So you can see the images started. So now we will click the custom path property and we will remove the smooth start to 0 and smooth end out to 0. So you can see here now it's 0, 0. Click OK. We will do this for the second one also. Click OK. So if you want to play all, click there and you can see. Okay. Now we will do one thing. Before that, we will make this little more outside. And we will make some more animation to our leaves. So click add. We will give spin effect to the picture. So you can see picture 7 spin is came. So we will drag this to under the picture 7 and we will make the start to with previous and we will select the second image. We will select spin. So this also the start we will select with previous. So now we will play all. Okay. So we have another picture with two animations. Now we will do another thing. We will select the picture 7 and we will give one more animation. Click on the add animation. Click on the more entrance effects. Come down. Click on the basic. Click OK. Now it's for this picture 7. Drag that to the picture 7. Click the second image. Do the same. So you have the picture now here. Now we will do the duration and delay for each picture. So we will make the duration to 5 and delay 1. We'll make the delay 1 and the picture duration to 5. So all this should be the same. So all this now is 5 and delay 1. So we will select the picture 4. We will make it to 3.5. Second also 3.5. Make it with previous. Make it with previous. And there is no delay for the second picture. Now we will play all. So you can see now our picture is ready. If you want more picture, you can copy and paste the pictures and you can make more animations. Now we will go and search for some free picture. We'll select online pictures and we will type tree.png. We will select some free which we can use in this animation. I will select this one. I will insert. So it will download the tree image now. So now a tree image is here. So make it here. And we bring it to front. Now we play all. So now our tree and our leaves are ready. So now we will go and see some. You can see some animated mountain image. So we will type animated mountain and we will search for that one. Okay, I will select the first image, insert that one. It will download the image now. So now our image is here now. So we will make it to fit the frame. So we make it to fit the frame and we will send it to back. So now our trees will come up. So we'll see how it will play now. See, now our mountain is there, tree and our leaves are ready now. So now we will go and check some animals. So I have already some animal images in my PC, so, which I downloaded already. So click on the image pictures and this device. I will select butterfly, lion and one deer. Insert. So select outside. Select the deer. I will make it here outside. I will select the lion. I will make it small. I will bring it here. I will select the butterfly. I will make it here. So now I will make some animation for this. So first I will select the deer image and from more animation I will click the motion pass and I select the line. So by default the line will go down, so you have to select the line from here and drag to the end. and you have to select the lion. Select the more animation, select line. Take the end and drag it to the end. And you have to select start to with previous, all the images with previous. Okay, so now our images are ready. So now what we will do, we will give some duration for our deer. And we will select the lion and we will give some duration also, but we will give some delay for lion. We will feel that it will chase the deer. So once you click this one, select outside and just play all. You can see the now lion is chasing the deer. So this is how you can create animation in PowerPoint. If you like the video and you like how you can do the animation in PowerPoint, please subscribe my channel and wait for more videos. Thank you.